Ukiwa na habari kwamba mhalifu yoyote ako na sukari, ako na madawa ya kulevya, ako na counterfeit drugs, hako na chochote ambacho kinaweza wadhuru wa Kenya au kimekatazwa kisheria, tafadhali ongea na vyombo vya usalama kwa njia ambayo tutaweza kumshika yule mtu. In government, we welcome the opinions by many politicians on the re-engineered drive in fighting social evils in this country. However, what we are saying is that any political opinion that suggests that you have gone after criminal A, we think you could have gone after criminal B and C, is diversionally useless and a wasted effort. And therefore, if there is any politicians out there who knows criminals who ought to have been targeted, all of them have the capacity to know that going into any public channel and trying to seek public sympathy and trying to protect what you think is your constituency is not useful.